Good night's sleep is a requirement for good health and well-being. And because of its deprivation, there's a rise in health issues, including depression, obesity, and a weak immune system. This article goes over the 6 best sleep-inducing teas to drink at bedtime. For different reasons, almost 30% of people suffer some level of insomnia or sleep deprivation. This includes difficulties falling asleep naturally, staying asleep, or experiencing a deep and therapeutic sleep. The good news is, even though you find it difficult to sleep, some teas have been shown to help fall asleep more easily. Herbal teas have been used for centuries as a natural sleep remedy throughout the world. They can help you relax and enhance better sleep. Why is sleep so important? Studies show that getting adequate sleep may improve all sorts of health issues, from improving your mood levels to weight control. Here is how adequate sleep can improve your health. Promotes a sharper brain. Improves heart health. Boosts immunity. Maintains a healthy weight. Improves athletic performance. Helps you make better decisions. Supports brain function. Promotes glowing skin. Reduces inflammation. Boosts fertility. Effects of a chronic lack of sleep. Lack of proper sleep may lower your energy levels and make you grumpy all day, and with time, it may cause more severe effects, such as it may negatively impact your long-term and short-term memory. It can make you emotional and quick-tempered. It may weaken your body's defense against viruses like the common cold and flu. It may affect your body's release of insulin, increasing your risk of type 2 diabetes. People with minimal sleep experience low libido. Lack of sleep will decrease your concentration, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Lack of sleep may make you drowsy and susceptible to accidents. Sleeping less than 5 hours every night increases your risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. It may affect your balance and coordination. Teas to drink at bedtime for a better sleep. 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is the most known relaxing and sleep-inducing tea. Chamomile formulations such as teas and essential oils have been used as sleep inducers or tranquilizers. They have also been used to induce sedation and treat insomnia. Chamomile contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to some receptors in the brain, causing one to feel relaxed and fall asleep. One study involving postpartum women with poor sleep tendencies recorded better sleep quality with only 2 weeks of regular consumption of chamomile tea. The women that didn't drink chamomile tea did not experience any change. In another study, a daily intake of 400 milligrams of chamomile extract improved sleep quality in older people. Thus it can be used as a safe remedy to improve sleep in age-related insomnia. 2. Lavender. Lavender is an herb known for its soothing scent and is commonly used in aromatherapy. Most people associate lavender with essential oil, but the purple buds can be brewed into teas well. Lavender tea can ease tension, induce calm, and improve sleep. It works by reducing the stress hormone cortisol and increasing the percentage of slow-wave, deep sleep, which offers therapeutic sleep benefits. 3. Valerian root. Valerian root is a herb with a long history of relieving stress and enhancing sleep. It has also been used to treat different ailments such as headaches, nervousness, and palpitations. It's among the most common sleep aid herbs in Europe and the United States. The root is usually dried and sold as tea. Valeria root is effective in enhancing sleep due to the presence of 2 sedatives, valipotriates and sesquiterpenes. A study involving people with sleep difficulties reported improved sleep without any side effects. In the study, 89% of the participants reported improved sleep, while 44% reported better sleep. In a similar study, a liquid form of valerian root extract decreased the time taken to fall asleep with improved overall sleep quality compared to those who did not use the extract. 4. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a member of the mint family with an aromatic, citrusy, and sweet smell. The leaves are usually dried and sold as tea. It's also available as an extract, which is commonly used in aromatherapy. Traditionally, lemon balm has been used as an antibacterial and antiviral medicine. It has also been used to relieve stress and promote better sleep. A cup of lemon balm taken at night can relieve insomnia and promote better sleep, especially if you suffer from anxiety, depression, or restlessness. One study found that taking 600 milligrams of lemon balm extract daily for 15 days reduced insomnia symptoms by 42% in individuals with sleep disturbances and anxiety. 5. Magnolia bark. Magnolia bark is a traditional Chinese herb that has been used in sleep-enhancing therapies. It contains hanokiol, a bioactive compound that has been shown to reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. The compound may also reduce anxiety and depression. The tea is usually made from the bark of the magnolia tree. Magnolia tends to have a strong and unpleasant taste to some, and if that's you, consider taking encapsulated extracts. 6. Passionflower. Passionflower tea is made from dried flowers, leaves, and stems of the passionflower plant. The tea contains flavonoids that bind to the same receptors as tranquilizers, thus alleviating anxiety and improving sleep. Research shows that a daily intake of passionflower tea may significantly promote better sleep. Further research has shown that combining sleep-enhancing teas like passionflower and valerian can relieve insomnia to the same effect as traditional sleep-enhancing medication. Final thoughts. Adequate sleep is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. However, getting yourself to sleep and staying asleep for a reasonable amount of time can be a challenge sometimes. The good news is, sipping these teas just before bedtime may help you stay calm, lower anxiety and depression, and promote a night of deep and restorative sleep.